Hi, this is Wesley, and this is a video tour of 9423 Camulus Avenue in Montclair, California. On the left side is parking for the ADU tenant. Your parking is in front of the main house, which can accommodate 3 small cars or 2 large cars. Entering the house is stepless and has a ramp for easy access. Posted on the door are unlocking and parking instructions. When you first enter the house, you are greeted with a spacious living room with a 65-inch smart TV. The 3-seat console table has both electrical and USB outlets to set up your laptop and charge your phone. The living room, kitchen, and dining are designed in an open area concept with a bonus enclosed finished patio that we will visit shortly. Everything is labeled, including light switches and cupboards. Kitchen is complete with all basic amenities. Just as a note, the glass cups are microwavable. All kitchen cabinets and drawers are soft close. There are basic coffee supplies. Here are all your utensils. Here are your pots and pans. This drawer has all your various wraps. Here we got Ziploc bags and trash bags, both large and small. Stove has a split oven. Here you have your oven mitts, toaster, blender. All your basic spices are included. Wine glasses and disposable cups. Refrigerator has an ice maker. Spacious pantry that includes a fire extinguisher and basic first aid kit. Covered porch area accented with LED vintage look lighting. Small cozy outdoor seating area. Cornhole beanbag toss game on the side of the house with motion security light at night. Propane Weber barbecue grill with extra tank in the garage. There's also another motion sensor light, security light in the backyard. So you have a total of 2 tables and 6 chairs for outdoor relaxation. The sunroom has a double pane sliding glass door for noise reduction and also has a built-in privacy shutter as well. Has a foosball table, large couch, 65-inch TV. Just so you know, the TV was purposely mounted lower for easier viewing and less neck strain. This is another door to enter the backyard. And a remote-controlled mini split. A mini split is ventless air conditioner or heater. Temp is controlled by the remote, which is in the holster mounted next to the TV. Here's your dining area. The clock is connected to a temperature sensor that is located outside the front door. Thermostat is a Google Nest device for the central air and heating. This is bedroom number 5 that has a full-size bed. All bedrooms have full-size closets. All bedside lamps are touch-controlled with powered USB ports for charging your devices. All light switches are labeled to what area is controlled. Bedroom 4 has a single-size bed. Bedroom 3 is a queen bed. Bedroom 2 is also a queen bed. This closet has an ironing board, large laundry basket on wheels, utility cart, and a Shark bagless vacuum. This is the master bedroom, but first thought to show you the networking equipment. This is the modem, wireless router, security camera, and Ring security access point. Okay, back to the master bedroom. There's a 65-inch TV, again mounted lower for easier viewing. Full-length mirror. This is how you access both the garage and laundry facility. I have 4 large tables for easy working space. The table have adjustable height. It's been set at the highest setting to reduce back stress, but can be lowered if more convenient for you. On the shelf, I do have Windex and paper towels to clean the surface before use. This is the master bath. Notice the dual rod towel holder and dual toilet paper holder as well. Closet where the sheets and towels are stored. This is the main bathroom. Also a dual rod towel holder and dual toilet paper holder. Okay, looking forward to your stay. Thank you.